What up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all subscribe, ring the bell up there. So today, let's get on this cow mag. Put some of this in my cucumber plant. See what it do. Just a little bit. In case y'all missed the last video, show you some of the stuff that I actually put back here in my garden. Cow mag, calcium right here for all your plants. Of course, Epsom salt. I use this maybe every 2 weeks. Put about a tablespoon or 2 in your water, and then water your plants like every 2 weeks, or right before you plant it in the ground. You want to use that magnesium sulfate. Have to have this. And before I plant, I always use fish fertilizer. Right? Fish fertilizer. Unless you had a whole fish, then you can bury the fish. Make sure you put some lime down to get rid of any smells. And I just started using this HEB 323. So what I'm gonna do now, got these little things right here from Amazon. Since I want my plant to grow upright, I'm gonna use these little things. Make sure they grow upright, because I don't want them spread all out on the ground, you know, when it does start to produce fruit. So I'm gonna use this. Watch me break me down. I had 2 plants in here, right? And of course, I don't know if they got blight or what. This shit happened. Yeah. What the fuck? I don't fucking know. I don't know if it was the neem oil or what, but this is what happened to my fucking plant. Shriveled up and it died. Good thing I had 2 planted in there. Shit, this one is about to take over the whole pot, so yeah. I guess it's a good thing it died. I don't know. I was fucking pissed off about this though. Pissed. Yeah. That's that. Alright guys. Like my channel. Subscribe. Thumbs up. If you don't like it, subscribe. Thumbs up. It don't fucking matter. Alright. Someone just a little. It's alright. It's alright. We still gonna get there. Make it do what it do. Got these nice little flowers growing. So, you know, if the bees is not coming, you can hand pollinate your flowers. Just take your male flower and your female flower. Take your finger. Do a little dit. Little mating going on. So I got some leaves that are fucked up and some leaves that look so freaking gorgeous, right? Look at that leaf. Look at it. Just look at it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful leaf. Yeah. So look at this. I don't know. I guess I guess they just burnt up. I don't know. Yes. Oh, you trying to grow all down there? You ain't supposed to be doing that. I need you to go over here. Because I don't want stuff growing all down here. So I want to try to make sure, make them grow how I want them to grow. Grow how I tell you to grow. Damn it. Wrap that around there. You grow how I tell you to grow. Man. Let's see. It's for you. I want you to grow up. So I'm going to take this little vine, try to wrap it around here. So it'll start growing like that. Just like that. Yep. Actually, watermelon seedlings. Yeah, that's what that is. Watermelon seedlings. 1 and 2. My lettuce, haven't done shit yet, but we'll see. It'll sprout up eventually. Ain't got no